Today we have our good buddy Waylon here from TMI to help us refresh the interior in our Mustang LX. So the one area in my interior that really needs help is the door panels, as obviously I have the typical Fox body mat pockets.
Stuffed one too many Motley Crue tapes in there, I think.
But thankfully TMI offers complete replacement door panels, and today we're going to install them. For this installation, you'll need a 1/4-inch ratchet, 10mm socket, Phillips head screwdriver, door panel removal tool, and a small flathead screwdriver.
To get the door panel off, you got a couple screws, a couple 10mm nuts, but all in all, it's a pretty simple procedure. I'm gonna start up here. All right, there's a couple hidden screws here. One here at the top of the armrest, and another you're gonna be able to get to down here at the corner. And lastly, there's one down here at the end of the speaker. Grill cover. To get the armrest off, there's two bolts behind here. You're gonna wanna remove these little covers. 28 years of Fox body, we're already missing. This one did us a favor. Once you get the armrest down, you're just gonna wanna unplug your power windows clip here. Once you get the hardware removed, there are a bunch of plastic clips that run around the outer edge of this door panel. I suggest using one of these to get them off, or else you're gonna end up snapping them. They are old, plastic, and fragile. We took the opportunity when we had the door panel off to put a small amount of Dynamat on the door to help with some noise reduction. We also took the clips off the old factory door panel and swapped them over to the new one. I do want to point out, originally Bill had the tweed insert on his door panel. We opted for a cleaner look with the vinyl insert, but we do in fact offer the tweed as well. This is a little bit easier to do with the window down. Put your old armrest back on, make sure you reconnect all your wiring. Put your screws back in on the top and on your speaker grill. Now we can put our door handle bezel back on. Obviously ours has seen better days. We're going to be replacing that down the road, but for today, we'll reinstall this one. You gotta install your side mirror cover. And we're finished.
Now the new door panels obviously made a huge difference, especially in the door pocket area. Now these are available in all the factory colors?
Correct. Whether you got titanium, smoke, opal, canyon red, we've got you covered.
And these are obviously a direct replacement for the factory ones. They'll use original components. Once we replace a few of those, they'll look even better. The installation, figure maybe an hour per side. Be back on the road in no time.